Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V, that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the all-wheel drive fuse is located, guys. It's actually two fuses in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem, because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So which fuse you need to check, guys, for the all-wheel drive? As we said, it will be two fuses that you need to check specifically. Here we are going to demonstrate on 2015 Honda CR-V. You have two different fuse boxes, and the first one that we need to find is inside the vehicle on that CR-V. If you look upside down under the dash on the driver's side, above the pedals on the left side, you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to zoom in, and next to the fuses you'll see numbers. That's super convenient. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 6 right here. Then we need to go to a different fuse box that's located under the hood. That's your engine, car battery, and right here is the fuse box. Open that cover there and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here, guys. Okay, this is the front of the car, this is towards the windshield. We have it sideways so we can show you clearly here. Here we need to check another fuse, and we're talking, guys, okay, about that, let me show you now, that big fuse right here that consists of this one is 2, 4, 6 individual fuses integrated in one. What it looks like, let us show you. This is the top view, okay, and this is the side view. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get a replacement one at a good price and quick shipping as well. Here, guys, the fuse that you will need to check, if you zoom in, it will be known as fuse number 35, or that will be the second fuse from front to back right here, 30 amp fuse in our case. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.